Ito naman guys yung bodybuilding pose. So relax pose, lat spread. So kailangan guys naka-flex din yung legs natin. Okay? So huwag natin kakalimutan flex muna yung legs. Tapos ito naman double bicep front. So side chest guys. So kailangan naka-post kagad yung legs natin. So yun. And then side tricep. Pwede ito kabila at kanan at kaliwa kung saan tayo komportable. Ito naman yung relax pose back naman. Ito na naman yung back lat spread guys. So kailangan na yung puwet natin nakapasok. So yung legs and then back. So ito naman double bicep guys. So ganun pa rin yung legs natin. And then ito naman yung front pose. So, ito naman yung muscular pose. So, yun lang guys sa mga baguhan. Try nyo practice.